Ever feel like your goals are always just out of reach? You set them with the best intentions, but somehow life gets in the way. You're motivated at first, then procrastination creeps in, distractions pull you off course, and suddenly that dream you had is fading fast. Or maybe you are tired of setting goals and then giving up. It's a frustrating cycle, and it's incredibly common. What if I told you there is a simple framework that can help you achieve any goal you set? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with turning their aspirations into reality. They lack clarity, they get overwhelmed, they lose motivation, and they don't have a structured system to follow. But what if there was a different way? What if you had a clear, step-by-step process to not only set meaningful goals, but actually achieve them? Well, there is. Today, I'm going to share the A.C.T.I.O.N framework, a 6-step process that will revolutionize how you approach your goals. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful tool to turn your dreams into reality, a tool to forge your path to the life you deserve. Welcome to Forge Your Path. The A.C.T.I.O.N framework is a simple yet powerful system designed to help you overcome the common obstacles to goal achievement. It's not just a list of tips, it's a systematic approach. Let's break it down. A.C.T.I.O.N stands for A. Assess. This is about understanding your starting point and your desired outcome. Where are you now, and where do you want to be? C. Clarify. This is about defining your vision and setting specific, measurable goals. No more vague wishes. T. Take inventory. This is about identifying your resources, your skills, and the potential obstacles you might face. I. Initiate. This is about taking that crucial first step and creating a concrete action plan. O. Optimize. This is about continuously improving your process and building supportive habits. N. Navigate. This is about overcoming challenges and staying consistent on your journey. Over the next few minutes, we'll dive deep into each of these steps, giving you the practical knowledge you need to start achieving your goals today. Get ready to take notes, because this is going to change everything. Step 1 is assess. This is where you get brutally honest with yourself. Where are you right now in relation to your goal? What's working? What's not working? And most importantly, where do you really want to be? Don't just think about it superficially. Dig deep. Ask yourself probing questions. For example, if your goal is to improve your fitness, are you currently exercising regularly? What's your diet like? What's your energy level? Be honest. You can use tools like journaling, a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, or even getting feedback from trusted friends or mentors. The key here is self-awareness. You can't chart a course to your destination if you don't know your starting point. Another example, if your goal to start a business, are you currently employed? Do you have a business plan? The more honest you are with yourself during this assessment phase, the more effective the rest of the framework will be. Next up is clarify. This is where you transform vague wishes into concrete, actionable goals. I want to be happy or I want to be successful are not goals, they're aspirations. We need to get specific. This is where the SMART goals framework comes in. Your goals should be specific, clearly defined and focused. Measurable. You need to be able to track your progress. Achievable. Challenging, but within your reach. Relevant. Aligned with your values and overall vision. Time-bound, with a clear deadline. Let's take the vague goal of getting in shape. A SMART version of that goal might be, I will lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months by exercising for 30 minutes, 5 days a week, and following a healthy eating plan. See the difference? It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, to overall health and time-bound. Also, take some time to visualize achieving your goal. How will it feel? What will it look like? Connect with the emotion of achieving your goal. This will fuel your motivation. Now it's time to take inventory. This is where you assess what you have to work with and what might stand in your way. First, identify your resources. What skills do you already possess that will help you? Do you have any supportive friends or family? Are there any tools, books, or online courses that can help you? For example, if your goal is to learn a new language, do you already have some basic knowledge? Do you have access to language learning apps or online tutors? Next, anticipate potential obstacles. What challenges might you face? What are your weaknesses? Be realistic. If you know you tend to procrastinate, acknowledge that. Brainstorm potential solutions and support systems now before you even encounter those obstacles. This proactive approach will significantly increase your chances of success. This is where the rubber meets the road. Initiate. It's time to stop planning and start doing. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect moment. There's no such thing. The key is to take immediate action, no matter how small. What's the minimum viable action you can take right now? It might be as simple as sending an email, making a phone call, or writing down your first step. Break down your large goal into smaller, manageable tasks. Create a detailed action plan with deadlines and milestones. This will give you a roadmap to follow and prevent you from feeling overwhelmed. And remember, momentum is key. Once you start, it becomes easier to keep going. Address common procrastination excuses head on. If you're telling yourself you don't have time, find 15 minutes. If you're feeling overwhelmed, focus on just the next step. Now we move on to optimize. Achieving your goals isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. You need to continuously improve and refine your approach. This means tracking your progress and measuring your results. Are you sticking to your action plan? Are you seeing the results you expected? There are tons of tools to help you with this. Apps, spreadsheets, journals. Find what works best for you. Equally important is building supportive habits. Habits are the building blocks of success. Identify the daily or weekly actions that will move you closer to your goal and turn them into habits. This might involve setting reminders, creating routines, or finding an accountability partner. And don't be afraid to experiment. If something isn't working, adjust your approach. The power of feedback loops is crucial here. Regularly review your progress, identify what's working and what's not, and make the necessary changes. Finally, we have navigate. This is where you learn to deal with the inevitable setbacks and challenges that will come your way. Let's be clear. You will face obstacles. You might lose motivation. You might experience setbacks. You might even feel like giving up. This is perfectly normal. The key is to develop resilience and perseverance. When you encounter a challenge, don't see it as a failure. See it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Use problem-solving skills to find solutions. Seek support from your network. Reframe negative thoughts into positive ones. And most importantly, stay focused on your long-term vision. Remember why you set this goal in the first place. Visualize your success. Connect with the emotion of achieving your goal. Your mindset is your most powerful tool in navigating challenges. Cultivate a growth mindset. The belief that you can learn and improve, and you'll be unstoppable. So, there you have it. The A.C.T.I.O.N framework. Assess, clarify, take inventory, initiate, optimize, and navigate. This framework, when applied consistently, will empower you to achieve any goal you set. It's a powerful tool for taking control of your life and forging your own path. Remember, it's about taking consistent action, learning from your experiences, and never giving up on your dreams. Now, it's your turn. I challenge you to start applying the A.C.T.I.O.N framework today. What's one goal you want to achieve? Take that first step, write it down, and use the framework. Write down, right now, where you are. Share your goals and your progress in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future videos on personal growth and achieving your full potential. Remember, you have the power to create the life you deserve. Now go out there and forge your path.